Hi, today we will discuss about the topic inverse trigonometric functions. In this topic, JEE means point of view, there is one question is given. In this topic, less formulas, so we can identify and understanding these formulas, so we can easily write the one question of the JEE mains. Here we know that sin theta is equal to x, then theta is equal to sin inverse of x. So this is the inverse trigonometry functions. Here sin, both all trigonometry ratios also, sin theta is equal to x, sin inverse of x. Now here sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. And tan inverse also, tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. So, and cot inverse of cot theta also theta. Now, here sin inverse of sin theta is equal to sin inverse of sin theta is equal to theta. Now, sin inverse of cos theta, that is pi by 2 minus theta. So, cos inverse of sin theta also pi by 2 minus theta. And tan inverse of cot theta also pi by 2 minus theta. And cosecant inverse of secant theta also pi by 2 minus theta. Sin inverse of minus x is equal to minus sin inverse x. Cosecant inverse of minus x is equal to minus cosecant inverse of x. So, tan inverse of minus x is equal to minus tan inverse of x. Cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. So, cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse of x. Secant inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus secant inverse of x. Here, domain and range of the inverse trigonometry functions. Sin inverse x domain is minus 1 comma 1, range is minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Cos inverse x domain is minus 1 comma 1, range is 0 comma pi by 2. Tan inverse x domain is r, range is minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2. Cot inverse x domain is r, so range is 0 to pi. Secant inverse x, so domain is minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Range is 0 to pi by 2 union pi by 2 to pi. Cosecant inverse x, so open interval minus infinity to minus 1 close interval union close interval 1 to open interval infinity. So range, so close interval minus pi by 2 comma 0 open interval union open interval 0 to pi by 2 close interval. So this is the domain and range of the functions. Now here sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. And tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This is the one type of important. Now one more formula. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse of. Now this formula, so this is A, this is B. Now x is equal to sin A. Here sin inverse y equal to B, then y is equal to sin B. Now cos A is equal to, now root over 1 minus x square. Now cos A means root of 1 minus sin square A. Now here cos B is equal to root over 1 minus pi square. Now this is A, this is B, sin of A plus B. we know that sin of a plus b formula. Sin of a plus b means sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now here, first one sin a. Sin a is x. And cos b. What is the cos b? Root over 1 minus y square. Plus. So cos a. What is cos a? Root over 1 minus x square. And sin b. What is sin b? Y. So this is the one formula. Sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse of x plus root over 1 minus x square plus y root over 1 minus x square. And cos inverse also same. Cos inverse. We know that cos of a plus b formula. Here cos of a plus b means cos a cos b, here minus sin a sin b. So in this formula, here same a plus b, cos inverse of a plus b, that is cos inverse of cos a. What is the value of cos a? Root over 1 minus x square. And cos b. What is the value of cos b? Root over 1 minus y square. So minus sin a is x, sin b is y in terms of cos. Here it is minus, so sin of a minus b, here minus cos of a minus b. So cos of a minus b means cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So here minus, so sin inverse of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. And here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is equal to tan inverse of. We know that this is a, this is b, tan of a plus b. We know that formula tan a plus tan b, 1 minus tan a tan b. Now here, so tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, so here also plus, that is, so tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. In this case, here xy is less than 1, so this is the one. In this case, xy is greater than 1, here pi plus. Difference between these two formulas. Now here, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. So this is also tan of a minus b formula. Now here, sin 2a, cos 2a, tan 2a formulas. Now sin 2a formula, we know that 2 sin a cos a. So in this formula, to convert the inverse trigonometry functions, 2 sin inverse x. So 2 sin inverse x and sin 2a same. So here sin inverse of. So 2 sin a cos 2 sin a. So sin inverse x is equal to a, then x is equal to, so sin a, that means x. And cos a, root over 1 minus x square. So this is the formula of 2 sin inverse x. And here 2 cos inverse x. So 2 cos inverse x. We know that 2 cos 2a, that means 2 cos square a minus 1. So 1 minus 2 sin square a. Now here cos inverse of. So cos inverse of means 2 cos square a minus 1. 2. So cos inverse x is equal to a, then x is equal to cos a. Now 2 cos square a minus 1. Now here sin inverse of. So 1 minus 2 sin square, 1 minus 2 sin square a. Sin a, cos a x, sin a root over 1 minus x square. Now sin square a, so 1 minus x square. So this is the sin inverse of 1 minus 2 into 1 minus x square. And 2 tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x means tan 2a. So tan 2a formula 2 tan a by, so 1 minus tan square a. That means tan inverse of 2x by 1 minus x square. And sin inverse also. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. And cos inverse also. So 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. 3 thetas. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. Now cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now tan 3 theta is equal to, so tan cube 3 tan theta minus 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So now apply the inverse trigonometry functions. 3 sin inverse x. That means sin inverse of 3. So here sin theta is x minus 4 sin cube theta is x cube. Now 3 cos inverse of x. So cos inverse of 4 x cube minus 3 x. And 3 tan inverse of x. That means tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Now tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to pi by 2. Then xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 1. Now second one, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y plus tan inverse z is equal to pi. Then xy plus then x plus y plus z is equal to xyz. Now, so some important, sin inverse of sin 8, cos inverse of cos 8. Now this is 8, this is 8. So this is wrong method. Now what is the correct method? Now here pi means 3.14. 2 pi means 6.28. So 3 pi means 9.42. 4 pi is equal to 12.56. So these are the pi values. So here now 8. What is 8? 8 means nearby 6.28, nearby 9.42. Here nearby 9.42, that is equal to 3 pi minus theta. 3 pi minus theta. Now here minus theta means 3 pi minus 8. Now substitute sin inverse of sin. So what is 8? 3 pi minus theta. 3 pi minus theta. Now here first coordinate, second coordinate, third coordinate, fourth coordinate. 90 minus theta, 180 minus theta, and 3 pi minus theta, 3 pi plus theta, 2 pi minus theta, so 4 pi minus theta, 4 pi plus theta. Now 3 pi minus theta lies in second coordinate. Now sin is positive. So sin inverse of sin theta. That means theta. So what is the theta value? 3 pi minus 8. So this is the sin. Now what is the cos? Here cos inverse is equal to cos of 8 means 3 pi minus theta. 3 pi minus theta lies in which coordinate? So here second coordinate, cos is negative, minus cos theta. So cos inverse of minus cos theta, pi minus cos theta. So pi minus cos inverse of cos theta. Now here pi minus theta. Pi minus, what is theta? So 3 pi plus 8. So multiply with minus. Now 8 minus 2 pi. Finally here answer, sin inverse of sin 8 means 3 pi minus 8 plus here 8 minus 2 pi. Here 8 gets cancelled. The answer is pi. So this is the most important model. Here JEE 2025. Here one question. Consider the principal value of inverse trigonometry function. Sin inverse of root 3 by 2 x plus 1 by 2 root over 1 minus x square. Here minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 1 by root 2 is equals to option A pi by 6 plus sin inverse x. Option B minus 5 pi by 6 minus sin inverse x. Option C pi by 4 plus sin inverse x. Option D 5 pi by 6 plus sin inverse x. Here this is we know that this one sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Put x is equal to sin A. So what is cos A? Root over 1 minus x square. Can substitute sin inverse of root 3 by 2 in cos. Now x is sin A. Here sin A. So cos 30 root 3 by 2. So cos pi by 6 plus sin 30 1 by 2 sin pi by 6. So cos, so here cos A. So here sin inverse of sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, sin of A plus B, sin of A plus B. Now sin inverse, so apply the inverse trigonometric function. So pi by 6 plus A. Now here x is equal to sin A, then A is equal to what is sin inverse x. Now here pi by 6 plus what is A? Sin inverse x. The answer is pi by 6 plus sin inverse x. Option A is the correct answer. Now one more JEE 2025 bit. Y is equal to cos of pi by 3 plus cos inverse of x by 2. Then x minus y whole square plus 3y square is equals to. Now here y is equal to cos of pi by 3. So means here cos inverse here 1 by 2. So cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2 plus here cos inverse of x by 2. Now here cos, so cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse of this is A, this is B, this is A, this is B. Now cos A 1 by 2 into cos B x by 2 minus sin A root of 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. So sin B root of 1 minus x by 2 whole square. Here x by 4 minus here 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 means 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4 means, so 3 by 4 root 3 by 2 into now root over 4 minus x square by 2. Now here LCM is 4, now cross multiplication 4y now plus x minus x, that is equal to root 3 into 4 minus x square root. Now here minus half. Now here squaring on both sides. 16y square plus x square minus 8xy is equal to 3 into 4 minus x square. Here multiply, so 12 minus 3x square. So minus 3x is transpose, already one x square is there, now 4x square. So minus 8xy plus 16y square is equal to 12. Now 4 is common. Now x square minus 2xy plus 4y square is equal to 3. 4 ones, 4 threes. Now here x square minus 2xy plus y square plus 3y square is equal to 3. 4y square means y square plus 3y square. So in this formula, now x minus y whole square plus 3y square is equal to 3. The answer is 3. So JEE 2025, one more model. Now cos of sin inverse 3 by 5 plus sin inverse 5 by 13 plus sin inverse 33 by 65 is equal to. So now here cos of, now in these two, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y, cos inverse of, this is A, this is B, now A plus B. So cos inverse of means cos of A plus B. We know that formula cos of A plus B, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So here we know that triplets 3, 4, 5. 5, so 12, 13. So 33, so 64, 33, 56, 65. So these are the triplets. Now here, so cos inverse, cos A, sin A is 3 by 5, cos A is 4 by 5. Now cos B, sin B is 5 by 13, cos B is 5, 13, 12, now 12 by 13. So minus. Now here sin A means 3 by 5, so sin B means 5 by 13. So plus sin inverse of, so 33 by 65. Now here cos of, so cos inverse of, so 12, 4 ja 48 by 5 13 is 65 minus 3 5 is 15 minus 65 plus sin inverse of 33 by 65. Now cos inverse of, so 48 minus 15, 33 by 65 plus sin inverse of 33 by 65. So we know that formula. Here cos inverse x plus sin inverse x, that means pi by 2. So this is the formula. Now apply the formula. Cos of this value is pi by 2, cos 90 is 0. The answer is 0. Sum 2025, one more model. The sum of the infinitive series of cot inverse of 7 by 4 plus cot inverse of 19 by 4 plus cot inverse of 39 by 4 plus cot inverse of 67 by 4 plus so on is. Here by 4 by 4 by 4, same by 4. Now numerator 7, 19, 39, so 67. So what is the TL? So apply the sequence of series. Now we know that Tn is equal to, so an square plus bn plus c. Now this is the no AP, this is no GP. Now here the, so AGP. Now an square plus bn plus c. To take n is equal to 1, the first term is 7. Now 7 is equal to a plus b plus c. Now second term is 19. Now so put n is equal to 2, 2 square 4, 4a plus 2b plus c. Say equation 1, say equation 2. Put n is equal to 3, that is 39. Now 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to, so this is the equation 3. So now 2 and 1 means 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 19. Now a plus b plus c is equal to 7. Now take minus, here minus, minus, minus. This is 3a. Now this is b. Both c gets cancelled. Now that is equal to 12. So now equation 4. And 3 and 2. Now here 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 39. Now here 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to now 19. Now here c gets cancelled. Now 5a plus b is equal to 20. Equation 5. Now equation 4. Now 3a plus b is equal to 12. Now here minus both cut. Now 2a equal to here 8. A is equal to 4. Now a is equal to 4 from 4. So from 4, now 3a and 12 plus b is equal to 12. Now b is equal to 0. Now from 1. So what is 1? Now here a means 4 plus 0 plus c is equal to 7, c is equal to 3. Now what is Tn? An square. Now 4n square plus 3. So this is the nth term. Now here in the sum, to convert cot, so convert cot into tan. Now tan inverse of here, so this is 4 by 7 plus tan inverse of 4 by 19 plus cot inverse of 4 by 39 plus so on. So here tan inverse. Now nth term is tan inverse 4 by 4n square plus 3. 4n square plus 3. Here 4 by 4n square plus 3 means 4 by, now 4 is common, n square plus 3 by 4. Now 4 gets cancelled. Now here 1 by, so n square plus 3 by 4 means n square 1 minus 1 by 4. That means 1 by 1 plus, so n square minus 1 by 2 whole square. So here n plus 1 by 2 minus here n minus 1 by 2. That is 1. Here 1 plus n plus 1 by 2 into n minus 1 by 2. So in this formula we can substitute. So tan inverse of, so here n plus 1 by 2 minus of n minus 1 by 2 by 1 plus n by 2. So 1 plus here 1 plus n by 2, sorry, 1 plus n plus 1 by 2 into n minus 1 by 2. Now here tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, that is equal to tan inverse x. So tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. So this is the formula. So now substitute the summation. So here summation of n is equal to 0 to infinity. So here that means n is equal to 1. Now tan inverse of 1 plus 1 by 2, so 3 by 2, minus tan inverse of 1 minus 1 by 2, here 1 by 2. Next, so n is equal to 2. So now tan inverse of 2 plus 1 by 2, 5 by 2, minus tan inverse of 3 by 2 plus 1. So tan inverse of n plus 1 by 2 minus tan inverse of n minus 1 by 2. Here both cuts and so finally the value is, so tan inverse of n plus 1 by 2 minus tan inverse of 1 by 2. So summation, so n is equal to infinite. So here where n is infinite, so tan inverse of n in infinity plus something infinitive minus tan inverse of 1 by 2. So tan inverse of infinity means tan 90 is infinitive. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse of 1 by 2 is the answer. Now one more model. If for some alpha comma beta, alpha less than or equal to beta, alpha plus beta is equal to 8, and secant square of tan inverse alpha plus cosecant square of cot inverse beta is minus 36. So that is equal to here secant square theta means, so secant square theta means 1 plus tan square theta. So cosecant square theta means 1 plus cot square theta. Can substitute this one. Now here 1 plus, so tan square of tan inverse alpha plus 1 plus cot square of cot inverse beta. Now here is equal to 36. Now 1 plus this is alpha square plus 1 plus beta square is equal to 36. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 34. This is the one equation. So given alpha plus beta is equal to 8. So alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta is equal to 8. Now 2 alpha beta is equal to 8 8 64. 64 minus 34. So 2 alpha beta is equal to, so here 30, alpha beta is equal to 50. Now alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square plus alpha plus beta into x. So x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equal to 0. X square, now here this is 8x plus alpha beta is equal to 15 is equal to 0. We know that factors 5 into 3, x minus 3 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. So here x is equal to 3 comma 5. Now the condition alpha less than beta, so alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to 5. Now what is the value? Find out the value. Alpha square plus beta square. So 3 square plus 5. Now 3 square 9 plus 5, that is 14. The answer is 14. Now 2024, let the inverse trigonometry functions, trigonometry functions take principal values. The number of real solutions in the equation 2 sin inverse x plus 3 cos inverse x is equal to 2 pi by 5 is. So here now 2 sin inverse x plus here 2 cos inverse x, so plus cos inverse of x. Now 2 is common. Now here 3 cos inverse x means 2 cos inverse x plus cos inverse x, that is 2 pi by 5. We know that this value pi by 2. 2 into pi by 2 pi. Pi plus cos inverse x is equal to 2 pi by 5. Now cos inverse x is equal to 2 pi by 5 minus pi. The LCM is 5. So 2 pi minus 5 pi. Now cos inverse x is equal to minus 3 pi by 5. So there is no real value. There is no real value. So this is no solution. So here number of real solution, number of real solutions is equal to 0. So one more 2024 JEE means for n belongs to n, if cot inverse of 3 plus cot inverse of 4 plus cot inverse of 5 plus cot inverse of n is equal to pi by 4. Now convert the tan. So tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by n, that is equal to pi by 4. So this is the formula. Now tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 by 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 4 plus tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by n is equal to pi by 4. Now tan inverse of, so here LCM is 12, here also LCM is 12, both 12 gets cancelled. Now 4 plus 3 by 12 minus 1 plus here same tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by n is equal to pi by 4. Now here tan inverse of 7 by 11 plus tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by n is equal to pi by 4. Now here tan inverse of, so 7 by 11 plus 1 by 5 by 1 minus 7 by 11 into 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by n is equal to pi by 4. Now here tan inverse of So LCM is 55, both LCM gets cancelled. 7 5s are 35 plus 11 by, so 11 5s are 55 minus 7. Now plus tan inverse of 1 by n is equal to pi by 4. Now here tan inverse of so 46 by, so here 48. So that is plus tan inverse of 1 by n is equal to pi by 4. Now here tan inverse of 1 by n is equal to, what is tan pi by 4? Here tan inverse of 1. So tan inverse of 1. So tan inverse of 1, this is the minus. So tan inverse of, so 2 table 23 by 24. Now here tan inverse of 1 minus 23 by 24 plus, so 1 into 23 by 24. Now here tan inverse of, so 24 minus 23 by, so 24 plus 23. Now here tan inverse of 1 by n is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 47. Now comparing n is equal to 47 is the answer. Now one more model. If A equal to sin inverse of sin 5 and B equal to cos inverse of cos 5, then A square plus B square. We know that pi is equal to 3.14, 2 pi is equal to 6.28. Now here 5 is equal to, now here 5 is equal to, so 2 pi minus theta. Now nearby 6. Now here theta is equal to 2 pi minus 5. Now apply the sign. Now here sin inverse of sin 5 means 2 pi minus theta. Now here sin inverse of sin of 360 minus theta lies in fourth coordinate. So here sin is negative minus sin theta. That is equal to minus sin inverse of sin theta. That is minus theta. That means minus of theta means now 2 pi minus 5. That is equal to, so 5 minus 2 pi. This is the sin. And again cos also. So cos inverse of cos 2 pi minus theta. So that is equal to, so here cos inverse of 360 minus theta lies in fourth coordinate, cos is positive, cos theta. That is equal to theta. That means theta means 2 pi minus 5. So this value is B, this value is A. Now take the value A square plus B square. What is A? 5 minus 2 pi whole square. Now what is B? 2 pi minus 5 whole square. Now here, now 5 square 25 plus 4 pi square minus 20 pi. So plus 4 pi square plus 25, so minus 20 pi. Now here, so 25, 50 plus 4 pi square, 8 pi square minus 40 pi. Now here, now 8 pi square, so minus 40 pi plus 50 is the, now JEE 2024, the value of cot inverse of, so root of 1 plus tan square 2 minus 1 by tan 2 plus cot inverse of root of 1 plus tan square 2 plus 1 by tan 1 by 2 is equals to. So in this term we can simplify. So root of 1 plus tan square theta means secant square theta. Now modulus means mod secant theta minus 1 by, so mod secant 2 minus 1 by tan 2. Now here, so modulus of secant means minus secant theta. So here minus is common, 1 plus cos 2 by, so tan 2. So here minus is common, so 1 plus 1 by cos x by secant x means 1 by cos x, tan x means sin x by cos x, sin 2 by cos 2. So both the sin cos and gets cancelled, minus 1 plus cos x means 2 cos square x by 2 by sin 2 sin 2 by 2 cos 2 by 2. Both 2 gets cancelled, square gets cancelled, minus here cot 1. So here minus cot, substitute this one. So cot inverse of this value is minus cot 1. So plus here cot inverse of this value is minus cot 1 by 4. So here that is 1 by 4. Here pi minus cot inverse of cot 1. So plus here cot inverse of cot 1 by 4. Here this is the minus. Now pi minus this is 1, this is minus 1 by 4. So that is pi minus 5 by 4 is the answer.